So we asked ProTech to install a system that would fit a big sports hall. We asked them to put speakers in. We told them that the head teacher would require microphones for assemblies and events. We also asked them to put an automated system in for the screen and the projector. So the projector turns on, the screen comes down automatically. And we wanted to make it really easy for staff to use. So in order to just press one button, everything switches back on, hook a laptop up to a computer, and it will start working seamlessly. Ever since then, I've had no issues in terms of any technical issues or any training issues because that's all been provided by ProTech. So yeah, overall a great experience so far. The teachers are very confident in using the system, and also it's been engaging for staff and students, as well as it's been hired out to communities where it's so easy to use, and also they can use it for different functions in the sports hall. So it's been major difference compared to what they have currently now, and they've been able to sort of adapt any function in that sports hall. Protect Solutions provided a smooth transition in terms of getting the equipment installed. Communication was brilliant as well from the team. They also listened to our requirements. The bonus thing is the head teacher was very happy with the installation. So, but that's my overall experience was brilliant.